Okay, let me show you this really quick, guys, because I did something kind of cool for this episode of Desert Monsters. So what I have here is a little balloon. These were leftovers from one of my nephew's birthdays. So I blew up the balloon, and then as you can see here, I got it wrapped up with this bendy wire. Made it look like a little structure, and it's supposed to be a little air balloon. I think it looks pretty cool. And check it out, right here, it has a little camera. And this camera is from that set that has the boat and the Animal Planet stuff. If you don't remember what boat I'm talking about, this is the boat I'm talking about. And it still makes sound! Oh, and here's one of the accessories that's in the boat. A little flashlight, I think. Yeah, it's definitely a flashlight. So let me know what you guys... Okay, there's a noisy truck coming by. Let me know what you guys think of this little mismatch I put together. Do you think it looks cool? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, we'll see you for this episode of Desert Monsters. Oh no, it can't fly like a weather balloon!